Imagine walking into the Congo jungle, where every step pulls you deeper into one of the wildest places on Earth. The deeper you go, the more dangerous the creatures become. Some are massive predators hiding in the shadows, while others are almost impossible to see. But the most dangerous one might surprise you at the end of this video. The Congo Rainforest. The Congo Rainforest is the second largest tropical forest on Earth, right after the Amazon one. Stretching across Central Africa, it covers millions of square kilometers. Its dense canopy blocks much of the sunlight, leaving the forest floor dim and humid even during the middle of the day. Thousands of animal species live here, many perfectly adapted to hide in the thick vegetation, the muddy riverbanks, and the powerful Congo River itself. And if you were walking through this jungle, the first danger you might encounter would be one of the most powerful animals in Africa. The forest elephant. Deep inside the thick vegetation moves this giant that few people ever see clearly. Smaller than the well-known savanna elephant, but far more secretive, these animals navigate dense jungle paths with surprising silence. Despite their calm appearance, forest elephants are responsible for many deadly encounters in Central Africa. When startled or threatened, they can charge with terrifying speed, weighing up to 4 tons and capable of crushing trees, vehicles, or anything in their path. In the tight spaces of the jungle, escaping a charging elephant becomes extremely difficult. But even a giant like this must stay alert, because in the open clearing ahead, another animal has a reputation for attacking almost anything that crosses its path. The African buffalo. If you suddenly stepped into a forest clearing, you might notice this herd of dark, muscular animals watching from the tall grass. These animals may look like oversized cattle, but they are widely considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Buffalo are unpredictable and extremely protective of their herd. When threatened, they don't run away, they charge. A full-grown buffalo can weigh nearly 900 kilograms and run at speeds close to 50 kilometers per hour. Their curved horns act like natural weapons capable of flipping predators or humans off their feet. Even lions sometimes struggle to take down a healthy buffalo. But in the dense jungle, there is a predator capable of doing exactly that, and it rarely needs to be seen. The leopard. Somewhere above the forest floor, hidden in the branches, his pair of eyes might already be watching. Unlike lions or hyenas, leopards are masters of stealth. Their spotted coats blend perfectly with sunlight filtering through the trees, allowing them to move through the jungle almost invisibly. Leopards are powerful enough to drag prey heavier than themselves up into the trees, keeping their meals safe from other predators. For humans, the real danger comes from how quietly they hunt. A leopard can stalk its target for minutes without making a sound, and when it attacks, it does so with explosive speed. But even the most efficient predator in the trees must be careful when moving across the forest floor, because hidden beneath the leaves is another threat entirely. The Forest Cobra. As you step deeper into the jungle, the ground itself can become dangerous. Slithering silently through the undergrowth is one of Africa's most feared snakes, the Forest Cobra. This species can grow over 2.5 meters long, making it one of the largest venomous snakes on the continent. Unlike many snakes that prefer to flee, forest cobras are known for their defensive aggression. When threatened, they can raise the front of their body, spread their hood, and deliver a venomous bite capable of shutting down the nervous system within hours. Without treatment, the venom can quickly become fatal. But the forest cobra isn't the only giant snake in this jungle. In fact, another species here can grow even longer. The African rock python. Also known as Saba's python, it's one of the largest snakes in the world. Some individuals can reach lengths of 5 to 6 meters. Unlike the cobra, the python has no venom. Instead, it relies on immense muscular strength. Once it coils around its prey, each breath becomes tighter until the victim can no longer breathe. Documented attacks on humans are extremely rare, with only a handful of cases reported over decades. Compared to venomous snakes like cobras, pythons are generally considered less dangerous to people because they rely entirely on physical constriction. But in the Congo jungle, the most dangerous encounters don't always happen on land, because sooner or later, every jungle path leads to water. Nile Crocodile. Along the muddy banks of the Congo's rivers, lies one of Africa's most feared predators, the Nile crocodile. These reptiles can grow over 5 meters long and weigh more than 700 kilograms. Most of the time, they remain almost completely invisible beneath the surface of the water. Only their eyes and nostrils break the surface. When prey approaches the river to drink, the crocodile launches forward with explosive power. Their jaws are among the strongest in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing bones instantly. Every year, Nile crocodiles are responsible for hundreds of attacks on humans across Africa. But surprisingly, even these powerful reptiles share the river with something far more aggressive. Something with teeth like daggers. The Goliath tiger fish. Deep in the waters of the Congo River swims one of the most intimidating freshwater predators on Earth, the Goliath tiger fish. This fish can grow over 1.5 meters long and is armed with rows of razor-sharp teeth that fit together like a set of knives. Unlike many fish, the Goliath tigerfish actively hunts large prey, using explosive speed to slice through smaller fish. Fishermen who encounter them often describe the same terrifying sight: a flash in the water, then a violent strike. While attacks on humans are rare, their sheer power and teeth have made them legendary among those who fish these waters. But despite all these predators, the elephants, the buffalo, the snakes, and even the crocodile, the most dangerous creature in the Congo jungle is something almost invisible: the malaria mosquito. Finally, the deadliest creature in the Congo rainforest isn't a giant predator, but the malaria mosquito. It's tiny, almost silent, easy to ignore, but every time one infected mosquito bites a human, it can transmit malaria, a disease that continues to kill hundreds of thousands of people every year. According to global health estimates, malaria causes more than 600,000 deaths annually, with the vast majority occurring across Africa. And what makes this danger so terrifying is how easily it spreads. A single mosquito can infect multiple people in one night, quietly passing the parasite from person to person without anyone realizing it. As for villages near dense rainforest, the threat is constant. As the sun sets and the jungle fills with sound, millions of mosquitoes emerge, searching for blood, which means the animal responsible for more deaths in this jungle isn't any of the predators we've seen today, but it's a creature smaller than a fingernail. The real killer of the Congo rainforest is almost invisible. The Congo rainforest is one of the most mysterious ecosystems on Earth, a place where massive predators roam the jungle, deadly reptiles hide beneath the leaves, and powerful hunters rule the rivers. But as we've seen, danger in the wild doesn't always come from the biggest animals. Sometimes the greatest threat is the one you barely notice. And that's what makes the Congo jungle one of the most dangerous places on the planet.